a 30-acre paradise with a 4-bedroom home and so much more to explore. I'm Tame Bartholomew. I can't wait to show you this one, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the tour. And after a long day working hard on your property, cool off here in your very own private pool. Fantastic pool house as well. This is a great place to entertain with family and friends. With brilliant views of Mount Cannibal behind me and beyond, this is a fantastic lifestyle property for you and your family. Any questions you have about the property, please get in contact. Otherwise, I'll see you at the next home for inspection.